Welcome back to Spy Garage. At the pinnacle of luxury motorhome engineering, the 2025 Prevost Millennium seamlessly combines state-of-the-art technology, custom craftsmanship, and unmatched comfort. Constructed on the well-known Prevost chassis, this car represents the ultimate in mobile living and is designed to satisfy even the pickiest tourists. The sturdy and dependable Prevost H3-45 chassis serves as the cornerstone of the 2025 Prevost Millennium. This platform is praised because even in harsh circumstances, the Prevost chassis is designed to last a very long time and provide a steady, comfortable ride. Powerful engines and sophisticated suspension systems provide smooth performance and handling. The reinforced chassis offers a sturdy foundation for the opulent interior of the RV, guaranteeing the comfort and safety of its occupants. The 2025 Prevost Millennium's exterior is a functional and artistic marvel, with features like fuel efficiency and noise reduction are improved by sleek, aerodynamic designs that reduce wind resistance. By using unique paint jobs and finishes, owners can make the outside uniquely their own. Integrated amenities. The design skillfully incorporates elements like power awnings, outdoor entertainment systems, and spacious storage sections. The 2025 Prevost Millennium's interior is a haven of sophisticated style and cutting-edge technology, featuring from beautiful leather upholstery to handcrafted woodwork. Every element of the inside has been painstakingly designed using the best materials. Advanced technology. A smooth and opulent living environment is produced by high-definition entertainment systems, smart home integration, and advanced climate control systems. Customizable layouts. Owners and designers can work together to produce unique floor designs that precisely match their requirements and tastes. Gourmet kitchens. These coaches come equipped with bespoke countertops and top-of-the-line appliances. Spa-like bathrooms. Comfort and elegance were key considerations in the design of the bathrooms. At the top of the luxury motorhome industry, the 2025 Prevost Millennium draws buyers who expect nothing less than the best. Important things to think about are prestige and exclusivity. For individuals looking for an unmatched vacation experience, this RV is the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Customization and personalization. One of the Prevost Millennium's best features is its capacity to customize every element of the camper to suit a person's tastes. Prevost Millennium ownership entails a substantial financial outlay, as well as specific upkeep and attention. The 2025 Prevost Millennium is essentially a mobile masterpiece that exemplifies the art of luxurious travel, going beyond simply being a MOT or HOME.